In today's video, we will discuss the 404 error page, what it is, how we implement it, and why it is so important whenever we talk about SEO. We will discuss all these topics in today's video. So let's go ahead and start the video. Assalamu alaikum. Hi viewers. I'm Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. First of all, let's understand what a 404 page is. A response to a missing page is a 404 error page, meaning this response indicates that the browser you are using, like when you are searching for something, it connects to the server, but the page or file you are trying to find is not available. You won't find this on every website, but you need to add it to your website. For example, if someone types an incorrect spelling of one of your URLs or a wrong keyword which they previously used to request from you, then they will land on a 404 error page of your website if you edit that page. Let's see a practical example. This is my website Organically Marketing and this is my blog Organic Keyword Research in 2025. And if you see the URL is advanced-keyword-research-in-2025. If I replace this URL with keyword-research like this, keyword-research, and hit the enter, the result is oops, that page can't be found. And if I type wrong spelling like keyword with A or advanced without E, like this, without O but with A and without E, hit the enter and result is the same, that page can't be found. And if I make a single mistake by just a single alphabet, just in keyword with A, and all the URL is same but the result is the same. But if you notice one thing, in my 404 error page there is header, footer, search bar or tags, categories, home. Even if a home page is also added in my 404 error page. So if I want to, or if my audience want to go my home page, they can and they find their desired page or post. And if I go to another website boutique.com and I typed after the domain XYZ page, and you can see page not found, but notice viewers, there is nothing, the page is blank and there is no header, footer. So in this scenario our audience will divert, they can leave our website and they will definitely go to another website for their desired post or page. You will see that every good website that is properly assured or maintained has a 404 page. Let's take the example of Amazon.com. If you go to the Amazon.com and type after the domain just XYZ page or just XYZ and hit the enter, sorry, we couldn't find that page. And we will take another example of the famous website Shopify.com. If you go to the Shopify.com and after the domain just type XYZ and the result is the same, but they added header, footer, login or start for free, all of this. It's not necessary that you only write 404 or something similar on the page. No, you can write anything, you can choose any template, it doesn't matter. You can take Amazon's example and you can build something similar for your customers. Just keep in mind that your 404 page should have proper header, footer, and also include an option to go back to the home page like this. You can choose any template, you can choose any colors as per your wish, like this. Right? Now viewers, let's see how can you check whether the 404 page is available on your website or not. For example, this is your website and after the domain name of your website just type XYZ or XYZ page or just page and hit the enter. Oops, that page can't be found. That means 404 page is added in your website. Alright, if you have a coding website and a 404 page is not added, Then you need to tell your developer that my website doesn't have a 404 page. Add this page so my audience doesn't divert. And if it is a WordPress website, then there is no need to add this page. It is already available on the WordPress website. Let's take another example. For example, this is my website Organically Marketing and it is built on WordPress.com. After my domain name, I will write slash and xyz and hit the enter, and 404 page is available. You can see this page is already available and added by WordPress.com, and you can see that there is header, footer, categories, tags, recent post, search bar, and also home page. Home button is also available in my 404 page. So viewers, this was the solution to one broken link. This was the problem from the client's or user's side, that they typed the wrong spelling or keywords. But we talked about other broken links too. Like if we change the permalink or URL, so customer will also face the issue of page not found. Then what will we do with the old URL? For that, there are some other redirections available like 301 or 302. We will also learn them in our upcoming videos. So viewers, that's all from today's video. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye. Assalamu alaikum. Take care.